Hello kids. Look at the picture and guess the missing vowel. Let's learn and spell 3-letter words together. Are you ready for this fun game? Let's start. Look at the video. It is a jet. Here, vowel is missing. J, T, which letter completes the word? It is E, J, E, T. Jet, can you say it again? J is for jet. 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 Look at the picture. It is a pen. Here, vowel is missing. P, N, which letter completes the word? It is E, P, E, N. Pen, can you say it again? P is for pen. 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 Look at the picture. It is a bed. Here, vowel is missing. B, D, which letter completes the word? It is E, B, E, D. Bed, can you say it again? B is for bed. 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 Look at the picture. It is a pet. Here, vowel is missing. P, T, which letter completes the word? It is E, P, E, T. Pet, can you say it again? P is for pet. 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 Look at the picture. It is wet. Here, vowel is missing W. T, which letter completes the word? It is E, W, E, T. Wet, can you say it again? W is for wet. 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 Look at the picture. It is 10. Here, vowel is missing. T, N, which letter completes the word? It is E, T, E, N. 10, can you say it again? T is for 10. 10. 10. Look at the picture. It is a leg. Here, vowel is missing. L, G, which letter completes the word? It is E, L, E, G. Leg, can you say it again? L is for leg. 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 Look at the video. It is a hen. Here, vowel is missing. H, N, which letter completes the word? It is E, H, E, N. Hen, can you say it again? H is for hen. 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 Look at the picture. It is red cloth. Again, vowel is missing. R, D, which letter completes the word? It is E, R-E-D. Red. Can you say it again? R is for red. 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 Look at the picture. It is a net. Here, vowel is missing. N, T. Which letter completes the word? It is E, N, E, T. Net. Can you say it again? N is for net. 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 Great job, kids! You learned many new 3-letter words today. See you in the next fun quiz.